Foundation Friday. Yes, like I told you before, I am on a roll with these foundations, trying out these different foundations. So the foundation that I will be demoing and reviewing today will be the MAC Pro Long Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. And the color that I have is NC47. I am an NC45 in MAC, but I'm using this trying to find a waterproof foundation for vacation. So I decided to pick up this Pro Longwear foundation. It claims to be waterproof, sweat-proof. It's full buildable coverage. It gives you a satin finish, so it's going to look and mimic my skin. They say it's a weightless foundation. The feeling is weightless, so it's very lightweight, and it's supposed to last up to 36 hours, which I will be not wearing this for 36 hours, and guess what? It retails for $36. How about that? So I already moisturized my face earlier, but it's been a while. So I'm going to use the spray, and this is the aloe, cucumber, and green tea spray, just to hydrate my skin just a little. And I'm going to use the Pore Professional to minimize my pores. And this will serve as a primer. And we will do a demo test where we do the waterproof to see if it's waterproof, if it's water resistant. So yes, the consistency of it is liquidy. So I'm going to apply it with a foundation brush, and then I'll blend it down with a beauty sponge. And this is the package, the basic MAC package, a little smaller box. You get 0.84 fluid ounce in this container, which is okay for me. You know, it's travel size, so it works. It will work. And I just wanted something to even out my skin tone while I'm on vacation, even though I may be catching a tan. So it's very lightweight. It doesn't have a smell, which is good. You know how some foundations you get have that smell to them, which is okay, but sometimes you don't want to have that smell. This foundation will oxidize just a little, as you can tell. Okay, I don't know if I want to use the beauty blender just yet. Yeah, I'm going to use the beauty blender. It looks nice. I like the way it looks. Very lightweight to the skin. Everyday foundation. Okay, I'm going to use the rest of it that I have on my spatula. I'm going to build it up on this side and see how it looks. Buildable coverage. Okay, we're going to build it up on that one side, and then we'll go back and add it. Let me blend it down. You can see how the coverage is. Okay, let's finish the other side. And we're going to let it sit for a minute. And then we're going to do the water test. The transfer resistant test, in other words. You don't have to set it if you don't want. You don't have to set it if you don't want to, which I am not. So we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes, and let it sit for a minute. I'm going to wipe my hands first, and then we're going to do a towel blot to see if it transferred. Make sure I don't have anything on my hands. Have you tried this foundation? If so, leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what your thoughts of it. If you're looking at this video for the first time, how does it look to you? Okay, I have a clean face towel. So we're going to blot on this side. Gonna let it sit a little more. I did get a little transfer, but it's maybe because it may need to sit. Do a blot test. It is transferring a little. But let's do the water test and see how that goes. That is it wet. Gonna blot it. It's not transferring. Use one coat of this foundation, it won't transfer as much, but with my blotting it did, maybe because I used a primer underneath or moisturize my face. But you might have to let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes and then go about your day, and then you will see the difference. So I'm gonna finish my face with this foundation. I'm gonna have to come back to you later once I go on vacation and really let you know how it works for me. I'll do another video on that if I really like this foundation once I go on vacation. That way you can see how it works. Okay, here is the completed look. I did highlight and contour off camera, and this is how the foundation is looking. As I said before, I would have to really take this foundation on vacation with me to see how it's gonna wear throughout that time, and when I get back I'll let you know how it worked for me. But I do like the packaging. As I said before, it's very travel size, very friendly. I love the way it looks on camera. I love the way it looks off camera. So with that being said, stay tuned to my update on the MAC Pro Long Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. And the color that I have is an NC47. I wear an NC45 in MAC. And I do thank you for watching, and you have a great day.